I think security and interoperability, or I can say integration, is something, which are like the essentials today for any technology. So, if you are building such a complex, technology environment, or something which addresses the infrastructure scenario, I would say these two are highly, highly essential.
I'll give you a very good case study also. So for one of the biggest European car manufacturers, the problem statement that they came to us with was that they wanted to reduce line downtime. They had that one entire line of cobots, which is sorting packages, auto parts, etc. And even if one of the cobots in the entire line goes down, the entire production is halted. And that's where they wanted our help using digital twin. And surprisingly, what we were able to achieve in a short period of time was that we were able to reduce almost 10% of line downtime. Now that is without even implementing spatial computing and other core aspects of the deep tech which we are currently discussing, by implementing just the digital twin. So you can imagine the impact that would come into picture when humans, AI, IoT, and as well as such technologies like spatial computing come into picture, how beneficial it's going to be for various industries across the globe.
What spatial computing is giving is an additional control or enhancing that experience to be able to use the digital twin for more I would say efficient way. Imagine the situation in a building. If you have a digital twin of a particular infrastructure or a building, you have a complete digital replica of the building in front of you, and you can look at how the building is being managed, whether there is any issue in any particular floors, or if there are any need that you need to urgently look into, like any kind of maintenance or any emergency situation. So those things are already there in digital twin, right? But what spatial computing is giving you a more I would say immersive control over these things. The moment you get into a particular, if you find a particular issue
within healthcare, again, there is like so many numerous applications in which we can use. For example, the spatial computing and the cognitive digital twins can revolutionize patient care and facility management. For example, you can imagine an operating room where surgeons, they can wear an augmented reality headset, and they can overlay live or a 3D model of a patient's anatomy. So this can be derived from their own digital twin, personalized digital twin,